what we have here is some tabletop art. Tabletop is basically going to go on top of a wine barrel that I have up at the cottage. It is made out of pressure-treated pine because it is outside. And I know you're not supposed to burn pressure-treated, and I did it outside in the garage with masks and all that sort of stuff. And I had a past experience using Epiphin's marine varnish, and it worked beautiful. I spoke to Rob last meeting, and because you can't get it around here, but he mentioned Noah's Marina in Mississauga, so I went up there and got that. And I'll probably put a coat on every year because this is strictly outside. And it's a montage of birds, animals, fish, all basically hand carved. What was tricky was doing the blending in of the surroundings, the mountains, the trees, blending the bottom of the water with the top of the water, and just putting everything all together. Any questions?
Is that wood burned or?
It's all wood burnt. And again, it was very tricky getting the different shades. You look at a photograph and you see the different tones of the different animals, and they're all different. So you're trying to blend in and do all kinds of different stuff.
Did you transfer the picture on there?
Most of it was done by hand. Just
Just freehand?
Freehand.
Oh, wow. Very
Blending it in. Looking at some photographs that I had, but kind of blending in, that sort of thing. Okay.
Bob, what was the finish again?
Epiphin's marine varnish.
How do you spell that?
EPHAFINES or something like that.
It's made in Holland.
Yeah, it's a European product, and it is excellent for outdoors. And
That's what I use on canoe paddles.
Okay. Very good.
Well, your proportions are very good for eyeballing it.
it took a while, that's for sure. Yeah.
Perfect.